on it.
You can do it.
Oh yeah. I'm lucky enough they're they're not like black nails like a dog. You can see the wick, so not to cut too far.
Yeah.
You get this flat screen wire, and you can put their claws through it so that you'll never cut too much.
Yeah.
Just cut through on the other side.
Johnny Cook and Leatherface.
Connie. Yeah.
I gotta go back and watch the movie
like-
because I don't remember any of these people from the movies.
He looks more like Patrick
They're not
Swayze
the
now in
shit
this
from
channel.
the creator's book that created the original movies. What was originally going to be in the movies that I'm guessing characters that he just cut or was ideas. So they just got that book from him and been reusing all ideas. This is a prequel to the actual Texas Chainsaw Massacre, is what they said.
Gotcha.
The game is, in order to fit it in the universe. Just remember, an error does not become a mistake unless you refuse to learn from it.
Shut the fuck up. Yes, it does.
That's what the game told me.
The game's a goddamn liar.
What, are you refusing to learn from your own mistakes?
I can
It's
learn,
not a
but
mistake
don't,
unless you don't learn from it.
You're kind of right because I learned not to jump back in the well unless I have to.
Yeah, like last ditch effort. Like, I'm about to die, I might as well jump in the well and risk it for the biscuit.
That's what I had to do the one game me and you escaped when me and No, the last game actually I had to do that because I was being chased by a
what's funny
fucking
is, T,
hitchhiker.
Every time I would run next or come near you, T, you would just be fucking doing something nonsensical, seeming like you're doing nothing. Then I go, T, do you have a fucking,
Hey, wait a minute, I missed
what's
you.
it called? The
Andrew,
little
are you
opening box.
upside
You're like,
down?
"Yeah." No.
Yeah.
Why do you spawn upside down?
I'm with Killer, so.
Yeah. I guess so.
Well, don't worry, me and TJ are gonna get out of here. Let's see, the first team to get out
Goes
wins.
to my side.
Don't die, T, I'm gonna be so upset.
Don't put so much pressure on me. You just broke your back, bro.
It hurts.
Okay.
Oh, you can open your side, open my side. Oh, never mind.
Man, I gotta turn my subtitles off. That's great.
Guess what?
I leave mine.
I too.
I left mine on as well. Huh?
Hello.
There's a toolbox right here.
Hi.
Here,
Did that scare you,
over
T?
here, there's a toolbox.
No.
But I'm gonna be taking.
Alright.
I'm gonna shoulder check one of the motherfuckers if they're coming near me.
Uh
He crouched through that. Oh no, I almost ran through it!
I'm gonna be taking another set, so you're gonna have to wait.
Hey, let's open this. I can't see anything, it's pitch black!
Found health.
Oh, I see. Here we go. Yeah, grab a.
Don't worry, it's open, but it's pitch black.
Dude, I'm glad we went this way.
I hear Bubba. We need to
Go.
go.
By the way, the exit's in this room.
Come upstairs.
Oh,
and
hey,
you can
guys.
roll through this crawl spot.
I hear
this feels better.
near us. But I don't
So
have
much
no
more cozier.
unlockable, T, do you?
I have a health spray.
Well, fuck.
I got a health. That's it. Come on. You can
I'll just
do
do
it.
that way!
So don't
Come on,
go
Connie,
whatever
you
way
can
it
do
is
this
that you
quietly.
just went.
There we go.
I think they're opening
Oh.
doors here. They're winning this first one to get it. First team to get out wins.
Dude, I got 2 locks.
You lucky
Open.
fucking little prick.
Hey, is that more? Oh, no, it's a health spray. I wouldn't touch that. It's probably poisoned.
I got it.
Oh wait, no,
Ruh-roh.
he's not in here.
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
Upstairs.
Bubba's on my ass!
You told me not to die.
What's this?
Sometimes it happens.
Is this a furnace? What's that do? Hang on. Oh, that's just a hiding.
Yeah, let's go.
I lost Bubba.
Don't say
Dude,
that.
get back. Slowly go
there's
back.
Bubba.
What?
Hold still. I heal.
I got full
Old man's
health. I
gonna
wouldn't
start
waste
roaring
it.
soon.
Oh, I hear Bubba.
Okay, see these bones?
Yeah.
Just gently. Yeah.
Andrew, I got a lockpick.
Well, we gotta get back to that main room, but I also need to find a lockpick too. And we gotta fucking find a room that...
I got a lockpick. Who did we just walk past? Game on.
Yeah,
Tell me your
well,
plan.
We're going to open the door. What
Yeah,
else?
I got 2 lockpicks. Where the fuck is the door?
I don't know anymore. I'm lost.
We're literally following
I
you.
ran
If you
from
slow
both,
down
but
for
I
a
got
second.
lost. Okay, got the story.
Alright, we're safe for
We get a
novice.
circle. Just get a circle, damn it.
Gamer, I don't care. Gamer,
Where you're at?
stop moving. For
I
heaven's
haven't been
sakes.
moving.
Where'd
I'm
you go
opening
now?
doors right now. How am I
Did you
moving?
go through here?
I went through so many holes since I've seen you last, killer. That ain't even funny.
Fuck me, man.
Like, as soon as I got chased from Bubba, I just kept going and kept just...
There you are, stop.
Doors open!
Can you... Alright.
Fuck.
Alright, never mind. Well, at least I see you now.
Where?
Is the door lit up?
Just
for you
stop.
guys?
I'm coming, crawling through. Oh, fuck.
Oh, there's somebody in
So,
front of us.
Yeah, you know where we're at. You better open this door.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't want to be that guy, killer.
You could be that guy.
They're here. That's fine.
They're here.
How
It's
much
fine.
blood you losing, killer? You got like a trail of blood underneath you. Right now, your blood. How much
My
blood you
health's
got?
pretty good. I got a
Green
lot.
shirt, bitch. How much health you got, baby?
You need healed?
Whoa.
Nah, I got
mama.
full health. Watch it. Macaroni ass. There you
Oh!
go.
Oh! Hey! No!
Fuck
Bad
TJ.
Johnny!
Oh, so
TJ's prop down there. Let's go, boys.
Are we running?
Oh,
Shit!
Why don't you go through the bones?
I'll do my
Ah!
throat somebody else with. Alright, we're upstairs on the ground floor.
Go, go, go.
I'm
Oh,
in the wrong
sorry.
direction. I gotta do a
You know
U-turn in
what?
a minute, but I'm
Not
going
that
over
way.
here to get the fucking
Oh,
tool.
Okay, I see you going over there, so then I'm gonna go the right direction, which it's through this
Yeah,
little
I'm
gap,
grabbing a tool. I'm grabbing a tool.
I think.
That's why.
You are a tool.
Oh,
Tool.
Guys!
I've still got my tool, and I've got 2 tools, by the way. Gamer, I
Is that you?
got 2 tools. Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go the right way.
Grandpa's gonna roar soon.
Come on. We're gonna need probably 4 tools. We're gonna have to go.
Are you running standing up? Are you standing up?
No, but I will now. If you mentioned it, might as well.
I'm right behind you.
Yeah, we're gonna
Gamer.
need more than that many tools.
I got 30% chance.
They're to the left of us,
Yeah, I suppose.
by the way. I don't know who's near me, but they need to...
Oh my god, they answered the left.
All I got is a
Sweet,
health right now.
yes. Watch out.
Don't move.
Doesn't matter.
Oh no,
The
Gamer.
rocket, it automatically forces me. Run!
Oh, he's here.
It's
Oh,
cool. Oh god, Johnny was on the other side, boys! I'm jumping through the window! Fuck it!
Oh! Bubba! Don't come in here!
I hurt myself! Don't jump through the window, guys! Don't do that! Just want to let you know, don't do that. That's a bad idea, don't do that.
Oh
It
shit!
hurts.
Bad! Bad, 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 bad. I'm outside. Fuck this.
I just jumped through the window and hurt myself.
Andrew, back to the basement it is.
holy fucking Gamer.
I'm out of stamina! Don't kill me! I'm dead. I'm dead.
Back in the basement, boys.
This is where the
I'm lost
chickens
again.
are.
I'm just gonna make a bunch of noise down the basement to try to draw their attention back to the basement. So, just know if you hear all that noise, that's me.
Where do I go from here?
Andrew's just saying, fuck it, make all the noise.
Yeah, because I'm already hurt so bad, and I'm hoping they come down here while they.
Oh no!
Bubba just team past me.
I'm hoping that they come for me and let you guys go.
Well, I'm
I can
dead.
lose them in the basement.
They can't let me go, I'm dead. They let me go to the afterlife.
And Cook just fucking noticed me, so
I heard that, I saw that.
the laugh.
It also pops up on the right side of your screen.
Uh-oh.
Fuck. Ah!
Looks like how.
Oh no, it says my batteries are dying.
Well, that's not what you want to see right now.
Well, I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're all going to die on this one.
Fuck you,
Did he
Bubba.
see me? Oh fucking Jesus! No, he doesn't. It's just.
Oh, the gamer's at the door I was just at.
You let the killer away.
Door's open. I'm reshutting it back so you can come through it, and I'm gonna re-open this thing.
God.
Come on. You can do it.
And the other serial killer comes walking out. It's like shit. And they're just gonna hang there? Holy fuck, does he see me?
Nah, he don't see you.
Oh, I hope not. I think I'm
gonna get out,
smugging
boys.
off.
Andrew's at the door, killer.
Alright, okay.
I'm heading to the next part of the phase, to the actual door, but I gotta go find 2 more pick locks. I've
So
left
remember
the
that
gate
was,
open. It's
I have to go
highlighted
right
for you,
fucking
killer. The
through
gate
there.
highlighted if you look.
oh, it's all the way over there.
Oh, Andrew, it ain't
Oh,
gonna matter
shit.
if you stand still. Find a bush.
Found the bush.
That's sunflower.
No, I
He's
know
really
where it is.
upset about that. He's putting the lock on
Long,
that.
long way.
Don't do that. He slammed the door. He's in here. Cook's wanting to hang out. I don't want to hang out with him, but you know, he wants to hang out with me. He can just go away.
What he's cooking either.
No. No. I really hope he just goes away.
Oh god.
Killer. Have you even moved?
How do I get around the side of the house here? Oh, I have to go inside the house to get around the house.
You do.
Hey, I'm listening to
I don't
you.
hear myself
Why are
back
we?
up.
Why? What is happening?
Tripping balls.
I can't hear Andrew anymore. That's the door you
Can't
need
hear
to
me
go
now?
out. Yeah, I can.
I was saying my battery's died.
That's the door you need to go out, killer.
Yo. Somebody's echoing.
Really fucking bad.
Because you got the stream going, and it's just like quadruplifying and multiplying each time.
It's
Like,
like a
oh, look,
fucking.
I'm just sitting there, fucking.
It's like
on
a
this fucking
metaverse.
couch,
Literally
like,
just-
God.
Fucking
Oh,
watching it
fuck.
go off.
Killer! Ah! Run! You don't have any help.
Just stayed there.
You should have stayed there.
Oh.
You should have stayed there. I don't think he saw you run behind that door, so if you would have stayed there, he probably would have never
They're clear on
noticed
the
you.
other side, gamer.
I know, that's why I'm trying to get this open to get it quick in there and then get in. Because I have to get this, then fucking get over to that thing. There should be a toolbox here.
Yeah, because Cook went after Killer.
Well, it doesn't matter. They're going to see me at all times now. So, this is what we're
Fuck
doing,
it.
boys.
Probably should have healed first.
Nothing I can do about it.
You're supposed to be able to hurt Grandpa.
Yeah, you can walk up with a bone shiv and stab him. Stab him in
What
the
would
heart.
that do to him, though? Oh, hi, Johnny! Johnny was mad as hell!
He was right there.
Andrew Bubba's there. Andrew, run! You can do it, Andrew! Get out of there!
Ow. I think there are perks
Oh, they got you.
for stabbing Grandpa.
Fuck y'all!
I think there's like perks you can get for stabbing Grandpa. I know there are perks you can get as the killer if Grandpa
Click A
gets
for
stabbed.
next game.